Right. It's cute. I got to just scratch my nose a little bit. Okay, so
Hi, I'm Michelle from Gardenworks, and today we're going to do something a little bit different than planting a container or looking at different, forget it, yeah.
we won't have much more of this, and we'll be into the dry, sunny, summer weather.
So here's our spring, here's our finished.
One thing to consider when shopping for lunar okay.
Actually, it looks better than I expected.
Oh no, you're watching.
So I've potted up a plethora of plants. No, I have potted up a plethora of pollinating plants for your patio. So I've potted up a plethora of pollinating plants for your patio.
I've got a couple tropical ones here, and since they're tropical,
Hi, I'm Peter from Gardenworks, and I wanted to no.
To get started growing microgreens, you're going to need a few simple things to get started. That's too started. To get started growing.
There are so many.
And you can fertilize it once a month with a 14-14-14 would be suitable. No?
And this summer we have been having a fantastic vegetable season. Vegetable.
Keep going.
Full spectrum grow light.
The 3Ds, that's the easiest and makes a lot of sense. Remove the damaged, diseased, or the other one, the other D. Oh yeah, that one, the Ds.
First thing to know is something. You need, okay. First thing to know is, yeah, what do you need to know? Okay. First thing to know is, oh my gosh. Have some fun. Fun.
So there you have it. We have a beautiful little toolbox planted up with succulents. For more inspiration and videos on and tips and advice.
Awesome. Behind the scenes. Not very exciting, really.
You haven't got that on camera, do you?
I did.